Hello everyone, welcome back to Storky Farmstead. Let's talk about what's going on in this quarter-acre market garden. I wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with. Okay, so it's May 9th, 2023. I'm located in zone 9A, 9B. Do you see this? Guys, I'm not joking. It is overcast and drizzling, yet it is 89 degrees out here right now, and I am sweating buckshots. If I don't get this garden done soon, that's a wrap for Sam. It's a wrap for Storky Farmstead. Here, the humidity and the heat gets so bad in southeast Louisiana that you're on a time limit. From the very first seed you put in the ground or the first transplant, if you don't have it done by June 1st, you're in trouble. Like, you're gonna have a lot of difficulty getting food to come on up out of the ground. Let me turn the camera around and walk you through what we're working on today. So this is coming along nicely. I've made it to here. I've made it to here. I only have about, I don't know, 5 more rows, and I'll hit the first fencing area on this side. And then there's only 3 rows left on the back side of it that needs to be heavy mulch. So that should be done. I am praying that this rain would stop long enough to give me the time to get out here and work with everything else I have to do every day. I'm thinking if I could just keep slogging this out, maybe by Saturday. It does have mulch, that's why there's really no breakthrough with grass, but low growing weeds. Heavy mulch that out. Now the area out here that we just pulled the tarp on Saturday has almost no hay left. That's bare soil, all right? So again, my problem is all of this has to be hayed out, all of it. That's what those 3 round bales at the end are for. So when you guys are thinking about your gardens, please say a prayer for me here at Storky Farms. In the foot at the end of January, not being able to get back into the yard until March, and then falling down the stairs last week. Sometimes, I'm telling you guys, I'm just like, God, I know that you gave me this vision, but I'm really struggling here. So that's why I'm out here working with it thundering and, lightly sprinkling rain on me. I'm not afraid to get wet, not afraid to get dirty, not afraid to get sweaty. I'm not afraid to play in anything I need to do, but this has to get done. So there comes a point where it's mind over matter. I will tell y'all this, my husband has made an executive decision. The middle plot of this quarter-acre market garden will be a mixture of wildflowers, the entire thing. He said, I'm not doing it to you. You've had a really rough beginning of the year, Sam. We've done classes every other weekend, at least once a month since March on the farm. We've got a couple more to go before it gets too hot for that. Then we'll break until September and we'll go back to doing classes on farm. During the hot months, you can just schedule a private tour at any time that's best for you, and I will accommodate you. But he told me that it's enough. And I thank God that he took that decision out of my hands, because guys, I'm an overachiever and I wanted all that middle section full of food. And he's like, honey, you have backed yourself against the wall. Last year I had my 80-year-old dad. This year he's 81. And my mom and I made an executive decision that unrolling rolls of hay was too much. Even at 6 o'clock in the morning, we were too hot. I want my dad to live to 100. I don't want to burn him out doing this kind of manual labor, because this, my friends, is difficult. So if you're gonna no-till and you're gonna use a heavy mulch, I'm showing you guys the reality of a garden this size that is no-till, heavy mulch. I'm trying to show you guys what it takes to make this happen. And I want it to be transparent. I know we all like to get on YouTube and watch those beautiful videos of these amazing gardens, but it's hard to see the reality of what it takes to make that happen. So you bite off more than you can chew by thinking, I'm gonna do this. You get started and realize, oh my God, it's too much. So if you have any kind of, limitations or on time, on money, on your physical body, a garden this size and this style might not be for you. And even me, I'm out here doing it in the rain. You can see it now getting all over my glasses. I'm still not really gonna put a lot of food in the middle section. I'm gonna use wildflowers. I'm gonna pull my pollinators in. I'm gonna keep working on soil health. And I'm gonna cut myself some slack because I'm one person doing a 1/4 acre market garden. If you don't know how big a 1/4 acre is, go map it out in your yard. It's 108 by 108 by 108 by 108. It's a big garden, a big garden. So you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for rowing in our boat, for just tuning in for these quick videos and the long videos. It means a lot to us. We're really, really close to hitting our 4,000 watch time hours in 1 year. And that is such a privilege and an honor that you guys are rowing with us, trusting us, you know, laughing and with us, praying with us, looking at me going, oh, she's absolutely insane. There's no way I'm going to do that. You don't have to do it just like me. You need to do it however God told you to do it, with whatever you have in your hands. You guys have a blessed day. I've got one more row I'm going to knock out. Even if those clouds drop all their rain on top of me, Sam's doing it today. So you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.